easiest way to solve this simultaneous equation is to use elimination method. So to do that, you simply know that this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. All right. So what do we do next? We are going to multiply equation 1, this equation 1 by 3 and multiply equation 2 by 2. Okay, so we have 3 times 3 will give us 9x. 3 times 3x rather is 9x plus 3 times 2y is 6y. 6y. Then we have 3 times 7 is 21. Then for equation 2, multiply by 2. 2 times 5x is 10x. Minus 2 times 3y is 6y. Equals 2 times 37 is 74. So we now add in order to eliminate them. All right. So to eliminate this set of equations, we add. So 10x plus 9x plus 10x will give us 19x. Then 6 plus minus 6 will give us 0. So we've eliminated this. And then 21 plus 74 is 95. So to get the x, we simply say x equals 95 over 19. And so when 19 divides 95, our x becomes 5. Now, to get y, we simply substitute x equals 5 in any of the equations, all right? Either equation 1 or 2. So at this point, we want to use equation 1. So 3x will now be 3 times 5. So we have 3. Okay. Okay, so 3 times x, which is 3 times 5, plus 2y equals 7. And 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 2y equals to 7. And so we have 15. We move to the right hand side. So 2y equals 7 minus 15. And so therefore we have that 2y will give us minus 8. So we need to divide both sides by 2. All right, so y equals minus 8 over 2. And so our y will be minus 4. So in this question, y is minus 4 and x is 5. So let's solve for number 2. All right, please, if at this point you've not subscribed, consider clicking on the like button, share button, and subscribe. Watch to the end so as to find the value of x and y in number 2. Okay? Now, this is number 2 question. To actually solve this using the elimination method, which is the fastest at this point, looking at the condition of the question, we simply need to multiply equation 1 by 2 so that we also have the same value as the middle term in the second equation. All right, so multiplying by 2, we have 2 times 4x will give us 8x plus 2 times 2y is 4y equals 2 times 24 rather, is 48. Then we bring down equation 2 so as to add to eliminate. That is equals 7. Now we simply add. So 8x plus 3x will give us 11x. Then 4y plus minus 4y will eliminate. Look at it here. We have 4y plus minus 4y. Okay? So 4y plus minus 4y minus 4y will give us 0. So it will eliminate it. So what do we do next? So this is 0, and then we add 48 plus 7 is 55. So to find the value of x, we divide both sides by 11. So this is over 11 and this is over 11. This will cancel out and x is 5. Now, to find the value of y, we substitute 5 in any of the equation where x is found. So we can use equation 1, which is 4x plus 2y equals 24. And so 4 times 5 plus 2y equals 24. And this is 20 plus 2y equals 24. We move this 20 to the right hand side. So 2y equals 24 minus 20. And so 2y equals 4. To find the value of y, we divide both sides by 2. Okay? So this will cancel out and y will be 2. So that is the final answer. In this question, okay, x is 5 and y is 2. Now let's check if our answers are correct by substituting the two values in any of the equation. So we can choose to use any of the equations. Let's say equation 1. So that is 4x plus 2y equals 24. So what is x? X is 5, and that is 4 times 5. 4 times 5 plus what is y? Y is 2. 2 times 2 equals 24. So 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 times 2 is 4 equals 24. And so 20 plus 4 is 24 equals 24. This is 100% accurate. Please consider subscribing to the channel and like the video. Also share to your friends. Thank you.